Hey, my dear friends, I, Abhinav Negi, welcome you all on India's largest live learning platform, that is GradeUp. So, I hope that all of you are fine. So, my dear friends, today my motive is to tell you that how to prepare. So, most of you, as we have launched our course yesterday, Batch 2 Vision course, so most of you are giving the exam GATE 2021 or Engineering Services 2021, कुछ भी. So, my dear friends, just here I am here to give you the how to prepare in this 1 year. Okay, so the basis on which I will tell you this is that since I have teach from last 8 years and I have teach more than 20,000 students. In fact, across all most of the cities in India I have teach. Based on that experience, I will tell you that how to prepare and what to do, how much you have to study. These are the things that I will tell you in the coming 20 or minutes or so. Okay, so my dear friends, I'm again repeating my motive for you that today this is only 20-minute session or so. My motive is to tell you that how to prepare and how to stay motivated and what should be the preparation strategy for 1 year. Okay, and the basis, whatever I am telling you, the basis of my whatever I am telling you is that I have teach so many students across so many cities. On that basis, on that experience, I will teach you. Okay, so let's start. Of course, this is my profile. Of course, that will not be asked in your exam. Okay, so my dear friends, see, to crack any competition exam, I am not considering only GATE and this engineering services. Suppose you are 12th class, when you are in 12th class and you are preparing for engineering college or getting admission in engineering college, you might be given BITS Plani or IIT JEE or any other exam. So my dear friends, for any competitive exam, not only GATE, not only IS, but for anywhere, suppose it is bank, suppose civil services, engineering services, GATE, public sector, state services, SSC, everywhere. The truth, what we have to do, we have to do hard work in a right direction. We have to do hard work in right direction. So not only hard work is required, but right direction hard work is required. Okay, not only hard work, but right direction hard work is required. What do this means now? See my friends, suppose this is a block and I can apply force on this like this, and I can apply like this red color also. So on this block I can apply force like black color also, I can apply force red color also. So what is the force that I should apply? What is the force that I should apply? I should apply like red color. Why? Because I have to move this block from here to here, then this is the right direction. If I am applying force like this, then suppose this angle is theta, then my dear friends, only F cos theta component is available. In fact, F sin theta is increasing the weight of the block also. So if I am applying force like black color, then only F cos theta is the force that from which I am going to the right direction, and all of you know that cos theta value is less than 1. So my dear friends, the correct way is not this. The correct way is this. So efficiency will be 100%. Here F cos theta is less than F. So efficiency is reduced. So my dear friends, to crack any competitive exam, you have to do hard work. You have to do hard work, but in right direction also. But in right direction also, not in wrong direction. Okay, now what is that right direction? Of course, two things are there. One is hard work, one is right direction. Of course, hard work you have to do. And what is the right direction, that we will show you. What is the right direction, that we will show you. Okay, my dear friends. So, my dear friends, moving forward, how to plan long-term goal. My dear friends, as we have launched Batch 2 yesterday, from 3rd of March, I will be there and SOM will be starting from 3rd of March, and I will teach SOM. In fact, I will teach you 4 subjects: SOM, hydrology, soil and survey. So almost 40% of the syllabus will be covered of civil engineering by me. My dear friends, we have already launched Batch 1 in January and all seats are full. So we have to launch Batch 2, and that we have launched yesterday. Most of you have known this. And of course the preview period will be up to 3rd March. In that, various subjects, various topics by different faculties they will teach you. Of course, the main course, the course starts from 3rd March. In this period, from today to 3rd March, different days, different faculties will tell you different topics, or how, just like yesterday I taught you more circle. Today I am teaching you how to plan the preparation strategy. Similarly, up to 3rd March, there is preview period. Preview period means in that course will not be taught. In that, different faculties will come of civil engineering and they will teach different topics, and they will take some general session like that also, like that I am taking today. Okay, so from 3rd March our course will start. The first subject for batch 2 is there, so strength of materials. I will be teaching that. So my dear friends, to clear any competitive exams, timetable, negative marking, positive thinking, these are very secondary things. Timetable to follow, this much book we have to follow, test series, and any other thing, timetable, study in morning, don't study in night, study 2 subjects at a particular day, not 1 subject. These are primary things. The first and most important things is concept. To clear GATE or any exam, the concept should be there. You should build concepts. Whenever I will be teaching or any other faculty will be teaching you, the concept should be good. You should grasp concept, otherwise ask doubt. In our live classes that we will tell you, you can ask doubt on the comment section. Instantly we will resolve your doubt. In fact, I will be teaching surveying from January. Whenever I teach something, if there is some doubt to anybody, then he instantly asks doubt to me. Okay. So although we teach like that there are minimum chances that doubt will come to you, because we faculties, including me, have teach subjects like survey. I have teach more than 60 times or 65 times. In fact, I don't count. So highway I have teach more than 60 times. So my dear friends, I have teach many subjects. So I teach like that. In fact, we teachers teach like that you will not face any doubt. Still, if you are having any doubt, then you can ask us on that particular session. Okay. So anybody is having any doubt, he can ask me right now also about any preparation strategy. See my dear friends, you have to stay motivated throughout the year. Concepts is the primary thing. The first thing is the concept. Okay. Second is stay motivated. And you have to be motivated about the exam. If you are not motivated, my dear friends, then don't prepare. Your ambition should be there. Okay. Your passion should be there. Okay. So my dear friends, कोई भी तैयारी करता है ना, कोई भी कुछ काम करता है तो 2 चीज चाहिए, या तो पैशन या तो मजबूरी. आपके पास पैशन होना चाहिए, मजबूरी होनी चाहिए, दोनों होना चाहिए. Okay. So you have to be motivated. It should not be that you are preparing for exam and you don't want to crack that exam, but with some pressure, with some your family pressure, you are preparing. It should not be like that. You should have actual desire to crack that exam. Okay. So third is consistency. My dear friends, from last 8 years I am teaching, and what I found that since 8 to 9 months are sufficient to crack any exam, whether GATE or ESE. If you are starting from 0, then 8 to 9 months is sufficient. And I will teach you subjects. In fact, all faculties will teach you subjects from 0. We will assume that you have not studied till now. And we will start every subject from 0. Okay? Okay, Akhila. So, my dear friends, first, the primary thing is concept. See, you will see videos like teachers or people saying to be motivated, negative marking, and read the question correctly, eliminate the options, study in morning, don't study night. These all are secondary things here. First thing to crack any exam is concepts. You have to build concepts in that subject. Okay? Of course, you have to motivate consistency. My dear friends, from last year, so many years I am teaching, and what I found that people, when starting 2 months, when they are preparing, they are very enthusiastic. They are full of enthusiasm. Josh pura rehta hai. They have high josh. Okay? But gradually, their desire, their hard work is reducing. It should not be like that. So, some people are having like this. Some people are having like this. Initially, they have high desire, then it is reduced like that. Or at the end, when exam is coming, then again their efficiency increases, hard work increases. Some people are having like this. Initially, they have less desire, less enthusiasm, less energy, then increases, then suddenly decreases. So I have found that here and here both result does not come. Result come when you're consistent. It should be like this. You should have consistent performance throughout the year. Not like that initially when you're preparing, you are preparing very high with high energy, with high focus, and at the end with high focus, and in between nothing. It should not be like that. You should be consistent, my dear friend. Consistent. Of course, hard work is required to clear any exam. Okay, from book Aguilin is saying how we understand concepts by doing self-study. So if you are doing self-study, then you have to believe on books. Okay, so on that book, don't move forward. If you are reading a concept now, then what student does that if he understands that concept 80%, then he move to the next concept. Don't move from that concept until you understand that concept 100%. If you are not understanding from that book, go to another material, internet or another book. But first understand your confidence, your concept should be 100%. Then only go to solve the numerical. Okay. So my dear friends, consistency should be there throughout the year. Throughout the year, there should be consistency. Not initially you are doing very hard work and at the end you are doing hard work and in between it is zero. You should be consistent to get a good rank. Okay. So my dear friends, is luck important? Is luck important for clearing any exam? My dear friend, unfortunately, yes. Yes, luck is important. Luck is important. But my friend, my answer to those who thinks that they are unlucky, this will play a negative part on their performance, on their result. Let me tell you for them. My dear friends, suppose from luck you are not obtaining, from luck a student, suppose the qualifying marks for GATE, although qualifying marks is very less, but for PSU qualifying marks is suppose 70. So it is not like that the student who does not read anything, does not have any concept, he is 0, from luck he will go to 70. It is not like that. And my friends, it is also not like that student who is very brilliant, he will go from 80 to 0. It is not, luck does not play that much huge role. That a student who does not know anything, he will get more than 70. Student who knows, very brilliant student, suppose he deserves 80, he will not get 0 by luck. So luck does not play this much important role. Luck plays how much important role? Suppose 4 to 5%. 4 to 5% luck is there. So my dear friends, my answer to those, what about this? Those who are having this negative value, what to do? My friend, prepare like that. Don't prepare for this cutoff. Prepare for this higher. Get this, prepare for 80. Assume that cutoff is 80. So you should prepare like that if that day is your worst day, then also there is your selection. Then there is no part of luck. I am again telling, you should prepare throughout the year like that if that day was your unluckiest day, worst day, then also you are getting selected. You should prepare like that. Then there is no factor of this. Okay. Okay, hello Sandila, the list of books is available on the GradeUp app. So my dear friends, of course the pattern of GATE and ESE is already there on the GradeUp channel. It is there. And also my friends, one more thing. When you purchase this course, suppose, of course there is free trial right now. You can access to that free trial before purchasing it. So my dear friends, when you take that course, then you will be knowing that throughout the year study plan is given on the app. What class is there on 13th of August or 6th of October or 2nd of December or 3rd of July. Every class, what time, what faculty, what topic, in fact, what topic is also mentioned in our app. That on which date, which subject, which faculty, which topic, that is also mentioned in our app right now. So take that free trial that is available on the app and take that study plan. Okay. So see, Akhila, in coming 2 or 3 weeks, free trial will be available. Don't worry. Whenever there will be lock on that, the notification will come to you before 2-3 days before locking. Okay. So these are the subjects of civil engineering. For engineering services, I am telling. So what is the number of questions from that is there. Okay. So of course SOM, this is SOM, and this RCC and soil and steel are very important for objective. This is objective analysis. Okay. So of course fluid mechanics, irrigation, environmental, transportation, these are higher weightage subjects. So you can take screenshot for that also. After that, this video will be available on the app. My dear friends, this is gate analysis. Of course this you will have screenshot. After that you can take screenshot. For gate, engineering mechanics does not ask much. Of course construction planning is not asked much, but solid mechanics is asked much. This is important. Steel is also not very much asked. This is very lengthy subject, but in gate the weightage is not much. But for ES it is important. Okay, geotechnical is important for gate, ESE both. Hydrology is small subject. Don't think that questions are less. The syllabus is also less for that. Same is with hydrology. Fluid mechanics is important subject for engineering services and gate both. Environmental engineering is also important for both. Of course you can take screenshot after that. So my dear friends, these are the various subjects. Mathematics generally come around 12 to 15 marks out of 100 in gate. Aptitude is always 15 marks. There's different section of this in gate. Okay. So my dear friends, I'm again telling you that to crack any exam, you have to do not only hard work, but hard work in a right direction. So hard work in a right direction you have to do. So that right direction we will tell you, and hard work you have to do. Okay. So we are doing our hard work. We are doing our hard work, what we have to do. Okay. So for you I am telling hard work you have to do, right direction we will tell you. And again some people say what we have to study. Suppose you are studying X subject. Suppose as you are studying survey. So what you have to do to complete that survey? See, first you have to do the notes, attend the lectures, first live lectures. Of course you miss live lectures, then they will be available. You can watch them infinite number of times. But I suggest you to attend live lectures so that you can ask doubt. So live lectures are there. Also if you miss them, you can watch infinite number of times. Validity period if you take the course is 1.5 years. So after that take the notes, do the previous year question of gate and ESE if you are preparing for ESE also. Then this much is sufficient for clearing any exam. Then this much for another subject. Then this much for another subject, and like that. Okay. So my dear friends, what we have to do to complete any subject? First, the live lectures that we are providing you. Second, notes that we are providing you in PDF format. Third, questions also we are providing you. And after that, previous year gate questions. Okay. So if you are doing these things, then the subject is over. Nothing is more required to attain rank 1 also. Okay. I'm again repeating, live lectures, then notes, then we are providing you quizzes. After every class we are providing you quizzes, then previous year question. If you are doing this, then my dear friends, everything is done for that subject. Now you can start your next subject. Okay. So this much is that. Now my dear friends, one more thing. I don't believe in making timetables like that. 7 to 8 am we will do this, 8 am to 10 am we will do this, 2 pm to 6 pm we will do this. I'm believing timetable of a long term duration. Like suppose we are starting, so from this March, from this 3rd March to suppose 2 April I will be doing SOM. Then from 2 April to this time I will be doing, suppose whatever subject we are preparing you, suppose FM. So like this you have to make timetable. Now how much hours you have to study in a single day? There is no answer. One student can only read 2 hours in a day and he can crack exam. And another student can read even I think 10 to 12 hours, then also he cannot crack exam. So there are different mindsets of different people. So there is no specific answer. Suppose you have decided that you will cover between 3 March to 2 April, you will cover SOM. Then now if 2 hours is required for some people 4 hours is required, some people 8 hours is required. You have to cover that. Okay. So now Abhirash is asking, sir, derivation is required for gate preparation. Very good question. Very good question. Is derivation required for gate? My dear friends, those derivations in which only math will be used, math like squaring both sides, integrating both sides, like that, those derivations are not important, because in those derivations there is no concept. But there are some derivations like Mohr circle. in that derivations, my dear friends, in those derivations, my dear friends, there are some concepts in between the steps. You are deriving something and you are getting result here. You are getting result here. So in between these steps, there are some concepts, and sometimes in exam, those concepts can be asked which is used in the derivation. So of course, those derivations are required. So I am again repeating, those derivations are required where in between the steps, deriving something, in between the steps, some concepts are used. Of course, those derivations which are important, we will be going to tell you in our classes. So, my dear friends, suppose you are 0 now, you have not studied anything till now in civil engineering, then also, my dear friends, in 6 to 8 months it is complete, you can do the syllabus and nothing to worry. Also, my dear friends, there is no difference in batch 1 and batch 2. Same number of hours will be teach to batch 2 also. So, there is no difference. One subject I have covered in batch 1 surveying, that subject again I will tell you in live. Okay. So, don't worry about that. So, if any questions more, then I will take that. So, now how to prepare, what to study, we all know that. Okay. So, my dear friends, there are two options in life. Okay. Live the life you love or love the life you live. So, decide what you want. Live the life you love or love the life you love. Okay, my dear friends. So, any doubt you can ask me. This is our course 2 batch 2. So, number of hours will be 600 for technical, 150 for non-technical. After every class, we will provide you quizzes and also subject length test. Objective, subjective both. You will fill your subjective sheet and you will return to us and we will evaluate that. Okay, you can take a screenshot or cam scanner and you can upload that. So, this is batch 2. Free trial is available. You can access that free trial. Okay. So, of course, scholarship for GATE qualified, IAS qualified and government engineering college 50%. For any doubt regarding the course, you can contact this, my dear friends. Yes, for both faculties, same subject. Amir, both faculties, same subject. Okay, Avinash, good. So, my dear friends, you can also follow me. You just on GradeUp app, write Abhinav Negi on search option and you can follow me. You can ask any doubt there. Okay. So, prep smart, score better, go GradeUp. Thank you.